In collaboration with the German naval architects Yacht and the ELICA shipyard, the OMAYA 50 was born. Welcome aboard the all-new 2025 OMAYA 50. The first thing you notice on the OMAYA 50 is the immense beam. This is the best in class at over 27.5 feet. As you walk onto the foredeck, you leave the watertight bulkhead and you have an immense amount of lounge space here. We have some sun pads, we have seating area with tables, we have 2 anchors which are hidden below deck here. We also have the option to finish out the forepeaks with crew quarters. We have this awesome sunshade that's supported by carbon fiber beams, a beautiful vantage point to enjoy and take in the sunsets. Here in the flybridge, we have our primary helm station where we have a full suite of Raymarine electronics, including chart plotter, AIS, radar. We have a forward scanning sonar system on board, as well as a bow thruster control. Windlass controls are here. We can control our sound system through our Fusion stereo. We have a beautiful sun pad, which is also complemented here by a wet bar. We have our refrigeration as well as an ice maker, a Kenyan grill, and a large oversized wet bar sink. Here on the aft section of the flybridge, we have U-shaped seating for up to 14 people. This table has a removable section so that you can pass through, getting in and out easily. This is an ideal place for alfresco dining. Another option that's going to be available on the OMAYA 50 is an extending sunshade that will come out over the settee area and provide additional shade on those warm, hot days. All of the OMAYA yachts are powered by Yanmar engines. The standard option is a 320 horsepower motor with an optional upgrade up to 440 horsepower. On the port side, in this mechanical space, we have our chiller unit and water maker. On starboard, we have our generator, and this yacht also has 2,000 liters of fuel, which gives us a tremendous amount of range under power. With the best-in-class beam, you immediately feel all of this space in the salon area and the galley. This has an induction cooktop, convection oven, full-size fridge and freezer, and a ton of counter space for prep work, cooking, and cleaning. This plush dinette area has seating for up to 10. We also have our wine chiller and fridge just behind us here, as well as storage underneath all of the seats and under the benches. This table will drop down and convert into a really nice day bed for lounging and enjoying a day by the beach. The interior helm station is an ideal place to drive during inclement weather. We have all of our steering controls, another chart plotter, and all of our digital switching system integrated into the Raymarine system here. The master cabin is your dedicated oasis on the sea. We have an island-style berth, giant television here with lounge area, and as I move forward, you enter the master head. Here in the master bath, we have an immense shower with the rain head coming down. We also have a bidet, toilet, and giant sink for cleaning up and preparing yourself for the day. The starboard side is dedicated to your VIP guests. Just as you come down the companionway here, we have access to our day head, and the forward cabin has a queen size berth. Moving aft, we go into our much larger stateroom, which also features an island style berth. In addition to the immense amount of space and light that you feel on these yachts, we also have storage everywhere. Each cabin is equipped with hanging lockers, shelving, and drawers. One of the key features and options that I think a lot of owners will go for on these yachts is going to focus heavily on energy independence, with up to 4.5 kilowatts of solar available between the foredeck area here and the coach roof. We also have lithium batteries that will allow this boat to operate in complete silent mode, running your air conditioning, chillers, and refrigeration overnight. I'm Captain Will Miller with the Multihull Company. We've just recently announced our exclusive dealership for North America with OMAYA Yachts. We're pleased to bring these yachts into North America and discuss the next project with you. Feel free to reach out to me directly at multihullcompany.com.